morning, Scots. I'm Tessa Agerton.
And I'm Eliana Burkes. Welcome back to another episode of Scots Weekly.
Happy Friday, everyone.
And a very happy Halloween.
Keep your eyes open. You might spot some ghosts, zombies, superheroes, or even a few monsters roaming around campus today.
Don't be scared, though. It's all part of the Halloween fun.
All right, let's jump into today's school announcements.
First up, interested in acting?
Come learn more about the winter play Almost Maine on Tuesday, November 5th during lunch in the WA.
The meeting will start promptly at 12:20 p.m., so don't be late.
This production is all about love, loss, and life in a small northern town, and the best part?
No singing, no dancing.
Come check it out and see if the stage is calling your name.
Next up, Scots, Picture Day Makeup Day is November 5th. So if you had missed the first time, get ready to strike your best pose.
And the very next day, November 6th, we've got another food sale coming your way. So bring your cash and your appetite, Scots.
Finally, the Ridgeview competition was a huge success for Highlands Band and Color Guard.
They took first place overall in their division out of 4 schools, earning first in music, general effect, visual, and percussion, and second in Color Guard.
Awesome job, Scots. Keep up the great work.
Let's head over to Tiffany, who has a quick announcement.
Take it away.
Oh, didn't see you there. I'm Tiffany. Get ready, Scots. It's so fetch. Mean Girls, the musical high school edition, is rated PG-13 for mature themes, strong language, modified for school performances, and brief references to teen behavior such as bullying, social dynamics, and dating. Here are the show dates and times. Thursday, November 7th, 7 p.m. The doors will open at 6:30. Admission, $10 at the door. Come and support our Highland Theater's totally fetch production. You don't want to miss it. Sorry guys, but I gotta get back to work. As you can see, there's a lot to do.
Now for a quick commercial break.
We'll be right back, Scots.
It's time for Think It, Link It, Ink It.
Hi Scots! Today we are here with Chloe Estante to look at her notes and discuss essential questions, adding and deleting, and chunking.
Chloe, I see you have an essential question at the top of your notes. Did you come up with that, or did your teacher give it to you?
My teacher gave it to me. It helps me know what my notes are supposed to be about.
You've got a lot of notes written down. Is there anything you think you should add or maybe take out?
Actually, yes. I realize this last part doesn't really connect to the essential question, so I'm going to cross it out.
I also noticed you've chunked your notes. Can you explain why chunking is important?
Chunking makes my notes easier to read and understand, instead of just one big block of text like this one. I like to skip lines or even draw dividers when I check my notes.
Chloe, thanks for being with us today to show all Scots how to think it, link it, and ink it.
So how's your day going?
It's good. How's yours? Hey, watch it.
That's why you're on
Take
TV.
that grandma top off. Don't choose violence. Choose kindness and choose to treat people how you want to be treated. Plata. Are you guys okay? Yeah, I'm okay. Just hurt a little bit. Do you guys want to go to the pack? Yeah, that might help. Hey, let's go.
Are you okay? No, this random number keeps texting me and they're being so mean to me. I'm so sorry that's happening. Do you want to talk about it?
Yeah.
Bullying is wrong in every way, shape, or form. This can include physical, emotional, or even cyberbullying. Always choose kindness. You never know what someone's going through.
Always choose kindness and don't forget to plata.
Welcome back, Scots.
Let's check in with our sports team's crew.
What's going on, Scots? I'm Joe.
And I'm Ali, and today we're going over the sports news of Highland High School.
Let's hear it, Ali.
First up, Scots, time's almost up.
The Highlands Wrestling Team online store closes this weekend, so don't miss your chance to grab some fresh wrestling gear and show off your Scots pride.
The store closes Sunday, November 2nd, so make sure to get those orders in before it's gone.
Every purchase helps support the wrestlers as they prepare for another strong season on the mat.
Attention all softball players, the season is almost here.
Please visit Classroom 7K and scan the QR code to complete the registration form.
Don't forget to also complete your Sportsnet registration and upload a current physical to your account to be eligible to play.
Now let's switch some things up with some breaking news.
Over to you, Ethan.
Hey Scots, I'm Ethan. It's Halloween. Join us in the quad during lunch for the Halloween costume contest. Show off your best look for a chance to win big.
Thank you for all that information.
Finally, today is our Halloween senior night game. Join us at Friday Night Fright this Friday, Highland against Ridgeview.
We'll be honoring our football, cheer team, and band seniors. Wear your Halloween costumes and Highland gear. JV starts at 5 p.m. and varsity starts at 7:30.
That's all for now, Scots.
And don't forget to Plaid up!
Thanks for the update on sports.
Now, check out this video.
Yo, what's up, y'all? It's Party in the Projects, and I'm Julian Jackson. Guess what? We're going to be asking some questions. Let's get into it.
Stephanie.
What are you going to be for Halloween?
Ballerina Cappuccina.
All right, we're here with
Aiden.
All right, what are you going to dress up for Halloween?
Jigsaw from Spiral.
All right, we're here with
Ronald.
All right, what are you going to be for Halloween?
I'm finna be Batman.
He going to be saving y'all ladies
Who we
out
here
there.
with today?
Julian.
And what scary movie would you be in?
Scary movie I would be in would be Scary Movie 4. That's a good movie right there.
Facts. I do appreciate, but like, who would you play in the movie?
Ooh, I would play that clown dude. You remember when he popped out the closet?
Facts. He did pop out the closet on Granny.
All right, we're here with
Leon.
All right, what's your type?
French fries with a milkshake on the side with a burger. You feel me?
Kira. Paisley. Isaac.
And what are you guys gonna be for Halloween?
A captain. Jesse off of Toy Story. Probably gonna go to the football game.
And what you gonna do this Halloween weekend?
Might just go out with family, go trick or
I'm
treating.
Julian Jackson. We're here with
Elena Cardiel.
Reagan Leedy.
All right, what makes you the happiest?
Definitely my family.
All right, we're here with
Lego.
Moises Hernandez.
Elijah Sanchez.
All right, what's your favorite restaurant?
I would say like Sequoia's for their salads.
Me, I'm not that picky. I kind of like everything, so I'll just eat like
every.
Malaya.
Logan. All right, what y'all popping out for Halloween?
A fox.
Ooh. Dash from The Incredibles. Y'all don't know nothing about that speed.
Welcome back, Scots.
We have one more announcement.
Scots, get hyped. Tony-nominated Broadway star Carrie Butler is coming to Highland for one incredible night of music, stories, and pure Broadway magic. You've seen her in Beetlejuice, Mean Girls, Hairspray, and Heathers. Now she's hitting the Highland stage with our very own students for an unforgettable Broadway Caribbean night. November 11th at 7 p.m., doors open at 6:30. $20 admission at the door. Don't miss this once-in-a-lifetime night. Scots, Broadway is coming to Highland.
That's all we got for today's Scots Weekly.
Happy Halloween, and make sure to be safe tonight.
And always remember to
Plaid up!